si Hazel Magpantay. Hazel, a lot of close rallies in this match against a Judiciary. Ano yung pinaka-challenging part in closing those 3 sets?
Sa amin kasi, ito yung second time namin na magkakasama-sama ang team. Ang first namin is yung tune-up game, and then second, this is the first game. And wala pa po kaming training. So, kahit na wala po kaming training ngayon, nagawa po namin yung tama para sa team namin. Sana supportahan niyo po kami sa mga darating na games namin. Yun lang po.
Wala pang training pero you were able to secure your first win dito sa UVL. Ngayon, paano pa kung mas napaghandaan nyo yung mga susunod na laro? So what does this win say about your team? Lalo na, sabi mo, wala pa kayo masyadong formal training.
Sa akin kasi yung PNP team is, kami po kasi nagjo-duty pa habang naglalaro. Pag after po nito, magjo-duty pa kami kasi wala pa kaming order sa PNP na official order na maglalaro kami dito. Sana po mabigyan na kami ng DS order namin.
Alright, maraming salamat. And because you are our best player of the game, you have a gift package from our friends from Black Mamba. Congratulations once again. Let's turn things over to the panel.